Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nur Alisa Safrina and my metric number is FFT10403. Today I will be presenting a biochemistry poster titled Global Warming, Carbon Cycle, Forest and Photosynthesis, which is a hypothesis for global cooling. This project is based on a research article and connects what we've learned in biochemistry to real-world environmental challenge. Global warming is one of the biggest challenges our world is facing. It is caused mainly by the build-up of carbon dioxide or CO2 in the atmosphere, which traps heat and increases global temperatures. One natural way to fight this is through photosynthesis, the process plants use to absorb CO2 and convert it into energy. Forests, especially tropical forests, act as natural carbon sinks, removing large amounts of CO2 and storing it in the biomass. This poster is based on a research article that proposes a bold new idea. By increasing global photosynthesis, especially in forests, we can help cool the earth and fight climate change. The key idea is that forests are carbon engines. They capture CO2 through photosynthesis, store it in leaves, stems, and roots, and release oxygen. By accelerating photosynthesis, we can increase plant growth and capture more CO2. This can be done by protecting and expanding forests and by improving the nutrient cycle that support plant metabolism. This leads to a faster and more efficient carbon cycle, where plants grow, die, decompose, and regrow, cycling carbon more quickly. As a result, more carbon stay in the biological system, and less remain in the atmosphere. This helps reduce the greenhouse effect and regulate global temperature. Here's how the mechanism works. First, more photosynthesis means more CO2 is pulled from the air. Second, this creates more plant biomass storing carbon in living tissue. Third, when the plant dies, decomposition returns nutrients to the soil. Fourth, this leads to a faster cycling of carbon through ecosystem. And fifth, the result is greater climate regulation because less carbon remains in the air and more is stored safely in plant and soil. In biochemistry, we've learned how photosynthesis works at the molecular level. In the light reaction, sunlight is used to make ATP and NADPH. This powers the Calvin cycle, where the enzyme Rubisco fixes CO2 into glucose. Before reading this article, I thought of photosynthesis as something basic for plant life. Now, I see it as a powerful tool for climate action. This project has helped me connect biochemistry to real-world global issues and has shown how science can offer nature-based solutions for a more sustainable future. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope this has helped show how biochemistry, especially photosynthesis, can play a vital role in addressing climate change. Thank you.